Because of its stable chemical properties, high thermal conductivity, small thermal expansion coefficient, good wear resistance, in addition to abrasive, there are many other uses. We should pay attention to the use of silicon carbide ball, pressing machine, a no-iron, stone, and other hard objects into the machine. To need to process the material particle size to ensure that below 3 mm. Otherwise, it will affect the molding and reduce the service life of the machine. Silicon carbide ball press is strictly prohibited to start heavy load, strictly prohibited non-technical personnel, disassembling random equipment. For silicon carbide ball press, regular maintenance, observation reducer, and bearing seat is lack of oil.